Good morning, guys. It is another early morning at 5 a.m. We are on our way to Gili from Buttttt. You have to book in a day in advance. So yesterday we went to one of those little tellers and bought our ticket. We paid a down deposit of 100,000 rupiah. I think in total we're gonna pay 300,000. I think we overpaid just a little bit, but that's okay because there was a ceremony yesterday. Like, we weren't sure if we could actually get a ticket. We were like not super picky. The guy's gonna come pick us up here at 6:30 a.m. drive us to Trawangan I, which is about an hour, and then we're gonna get on a boat to Gili. We have no plans when we get there. Just gonna be checking into our hostel and hanging out. Well, just kidding. This is my crew.
Who are you?
Sorry, this is about to be my crew. I'm Jason. What's up, dog? I bought some watermelon from her. Ooh, it was good watermelon, let me tell you. And only for $1. We just made it on the boat. Got our luggage here. A lot of people are putting their luggage on the roof, but you know, we can't risk it. So we just got it all right here. It's about an hour trip. Just gonna get comfortable watching Thor Ragnarok. Guys, pro tip, sit up front because you got the AC blasting. And it feels really good. I can't imagine back there. We made it. Officially, we have set foot on the land. Hey, YouTube.
Hey, how are you today, bro? Come to Gili to holiday, man. I have two sons in Indonesia. You know two sons? Sunrise and sunset.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Nice.
Alright, we just booked a tour, Rai.
Rai, and then my nickname is Sexy Turtle. Don't forget like, share, and
My name is
subscribe.
Yo.
We're not supposed to tell, but just to let you guys be informed, we paid 200 total for the morning excursion because we wanted to get out before the people. We're gonna go out like 7. They said people usually go out around 10. It was kind of convenient how we just came up on there, talked to those guys, got it over with. Now we can enjoy the rest of the day. If you're traveling to the Gili Islands, you might have a little bit of a hard time carrying some luggage around just because these roads aren't very paved, or aren't paved at all actually. Please take a video of you guys dragging your suitcase to this and tag me because I would love to see it.
Got to our hostel. This is where we'll be staying.
Just got to our hostel. This is where we'll be staying.
Just got to our hostel. This is where we'll be staying.
Do a gainer because I'll jump so I'll hit my head.
No, you can stand on this.
You know how deep the pool is?
Got him. hiking around the sandy island, hanging out in crystal blue water, and watching an amazing sunset with some awesome Swedish friends we met at our hostel. Sometimes you had to put the camera down and live in the present.